So Nico's got a crazy idea. He wants to kind of take this entire big piece of concrete and let it hang onto the beams. If the whole house breaks down, and he's gonna build it again, he said. So.
I swear. You got it on tape, okay?
Yeah. Alrighty, so roof's done, but the windows are not, and we want to get them closed before it gets cold in here. Otherwise, why isolate the roof, right? And as you can see, it's quite messy since we basically just cut the entire wall out. So what I need to do now is, on the one hand, try to get some armored concrete on the top. I believe, I mean, yes, it's going to hold the window. I think the window would also hold with kind of the oak beam that there is, but I just feel it would stabilize simply the walls on the side a little better. And on the side, I obviously want to be cutting trenches at the bottom where we left the original window to precisely kind of fit the new windows. I mean, not precisely, you definitely want to have 1 or 2 centimeters to adjust, so you do kind of cut it a little bit larger. And then up here I basically will have to try to make this smooth basically. And as you can see, I'm just going to show you that my plan is to, I don't want to be kind of stuffing in tons of concrete. I don't think it's necessary, so actually fill it up with foam at the bottom. And like this, the concrete's not going to go in too far, and I won't utilize that much of it. So I believe this could be a good idea. Yep. However, it's a freaking nuisance to get this to stick and everything on there. I already know it's going to be a mess, but so this is why I've been procrastinating with this task until now. But there's no more pushing this, so let's get things done. Alrighty, so I cut the right size to have definitely a bit of space later to adjust and position the window, and actually build from wood a frame in the width of the window, calculating a bit more space. And I positioned it already in there, put a couple of screws so make sure it doesn't move. And now basically I can go around it and really fill up the space. Yeah, basically rebuild the wall at the upper level. Let me show you that. So here on the side, I'm gonna have this one, which is gonna guide me basically as front level. It's gonna have to be level with this, and like this I'm gonna be able to go up here. Obviously here I'm gonna start off now by putting a layer of very liquid cement on it, on which later it's just gonna give it a little more grip. So let's start off with that.